Hello and welcome to another video by ChalazionTreatment.com. Be sure to stop by our website to discover how you can eliminate your Chalazion cyst in less than 2 days without expensive and painful surgery. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the topic of Chalazion prevention. Chalazion prevention is a hot topic among people who suffer from this condition. With the advancements in modern medicine and the more enlightened approach taken by alternative medicine these days, a Chalazion cyst is nothing to be alarmed about. Those with these red bumps or nodules on their eyelids can choose from a wide array of Chalazion treatment options that can include, among others, home care solutions like massages and warm compresses, or pharmacological alternatives like antibiotic eye drops or ointments prescribed by your ophthalmologist. Also, there are homeopathic remedies for those who can wait for months before results are evident, as well as surgical Chalazion removal options for individuals who want the lesions to be gone within a day. However, nothing beats Chalazion prevention. Not only is treatment expensive and time-consuming, it's also taxing on an individual's energy stores. If you've had a Chalazion cyst before, you probably already know that there's also a bigger chance of it recurring. Only preventive practices can save you the hassle of going through the whole draining treatment process again. For individuals who have not experienced these troublesome eyelid cysts and want to spare themselves the hassle of treating or removing these bumps, here are some guidelines to follow for Chalazion prevention. Hand hygiene. Your hands come in contact with all kinds of things. You use them for handling food, cleaning your room, washing the dishes and laundry, flushing the toilet, and picking up all sorts of things. As such, they harbor all sorts of germs all throughout the day. When your eyes get itchy, it's instinctive to scratch them with our fingertips. Imagine yourself doing this right after you've just been playing with your beloved pooch. It's easy to start an eye infection. If your hands came in contact with the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus and you happen to rub your eye with it present, a hordeolum or stye can result. While a Chalazion is not a stye, one can follow. Thus, it's important to keep your hands clean. Always have soap and water on hand and wash your hands thoroughly before and after doing any activity. If you are constantly on the go or anytime you leave the house, it would be a wise idea to bring hand sanitizer or isopropyl alcohol along to make sure that you can still keep your hands clean and bacteria-free even when there is no soap and water around. Even if you have already washed your hands, make it a point to keep them away from your eyes and the rest of your face for that matter as much as possible. Not only is this important for Chalazion prevention, you will also be protecting yourself from colds, acne, and pimples if you keep your hands away from your face. Eyelid hygiene. Blepharitis, conjunctivitis, and styes are the common effects of poor eyelid hygiene. When you wear makeup during the day and don't take the time to remove it at night, you are making your face, and particularly your eyes, a breeding place for bacteria. Take extra care when removing your eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, as your eyelids are where the ducts of your meibomian glands are located. When they get clogged, and the oil can't find a way out because your eye makeup is barring the exit, that's when a Chalazion will start to develop. While you can use mild shampoo, baby shampoo will do, and a warm washcloth to do this at least once a day, there are also lens care towelettes sold in individual packs that are specifically intended to clean your eyes. They can also be used to remove makeup as well. These are convenient and easy to use, and are handy Chalazion prevention tools to have around. Makeup hygiene. Makeup, like a comb or toothbrush, are personal things. As such, it's completely alright to be selfish about them and not share them with anybody. You'll never know if the eyeliner you borrowed from your friend was also used by a cousin who suffered from styes or Chalazion before, right? Don't share makeup, and don't borrow makeup from other people, even your closest friends. Shield from dust or heat. If you are planning to go out on a particularly hot or windy day, or are going to be using your motorcycle or bicycle, always put your sunglasses or shades on. This will protect your eyes from dust particles and debris and will help to prevent the development of chalazion. Prompt medical help. If you are suffering from any form of eye infection, it's always a good idea to go to your ophthalmologist right away. He or she will be able to prescribe medication like antibiotic ointment or eye drops that will eradicate the bacteria. Seeking prompt medical help will treat the infection at the source and prevent the ducts of the meibomian glands from clogging up and causing the development of chalazion. When chalazion prevention fails. In the event that these chalazion prevention guidelines still don't work and you are confronted with a meibomian cyst, go to your eye doctor right away. Aside from prescribing eye drops, he or she will most likely ask you to perform home care remedies like applying a warm compress and massaging the area around the chalazion. If it is still small, the chalazion will most likely disappear. As you can see, much of chalazion prevention hinges on hygiene. By keeping yourself clean, you avoid the many infections that can cause these eyelid cysts to develop. Never rub your eyes, even if you know that your hands are clean, and don't wait for eye infections to get worse before seeking medical care. By following these guidelines and using some plain old common sense, you protect yourself from the cost and the time-consuming treatments which go along with having a chalazion. Always keep in mind, chalazion prevention is much better than having to find a chalazion treatment. We hope that you've enjoyed this brief video. Be sure to visit our website at ChalazionTreatment.com, where you can download our step-by-step solution for getting rid of chalazion cysts. Our easy-to-follow method is painless, all-natural, non-surgical, affordable, and effective.